The import command will allow you to import drawings from other file formats, such as an AutoCAD DWG drawing file. Before you can import a file, you must first create a new drawing or open a template file. It doesn't matter what size of paper or output scale you select. Once you import the file, you'll most likely need to change the drawing page size or scale to match the newly created drawing. You can open the import command from the Files menu, or by pressing the shortcut key combination of Ctrl and the letter I. Use the dialog box to change to the drive and directory where the file to import is located on the computer or network. Once you locate the file, click on the file name and then click on the Open button. Once the image is loaded, you'll see a preview of it in the preview window. At the top of the DWG preview window, there's a wizard that will tell you what you need to do to finish importing the file into Pro Contractor Studio. In AutoCAD, a drawing could be completed in inches, architectural units, feet, meters, centimeters, or even millimeters. Pro Contractor Studio requires the units to be equivalent to 1 foot or 1 meter. If the settings are correct in AutoCAD, we can sometimes determine what units were used and the units of measurement will be set automatically for you. But in most cases, we can't, so we'll need to determine the units of measurement by taking a measurement. Find an area of the drawing you're familiar with and use the measurement tool. The measurement tool is located at the top of the wizard and also in the preview drawing pane. Click it and the mouse cursor will change to a crosshair. Click one time with the left mouse button to set a point, and another time at the point you wish to measure to. This will give you the total number of units between the 2 points. Here, we see that the distance between what looks like a table is 2,553.55 units. Well, 2,553 divided by 12 is 212 feet, so that's obviously not the size of the table. But 2,553 millimeters is about 8 feet, which is probably more accurate to the size of what a table would be. So this drawing was done in millimeters. Press Enter to end the measurement, and press Escape to end the measurement command. I'll now set the DWG units of measurement to millimeters, and now you can hide the wizard if you'd like by clicking the Hide Wizard button at the top of the page. And should you need to see it again, you can click the Show Wizard button on top of the DWG control. I'm going to click Zoom to Paper to zoom out a little bit. Zoom to Paper will zoom out to the borders of the paper, and Zoom to Drawing Extents will zoom out to show everything in the drawing. More often than not, there are entities scattered about on any DWG drawing file. The Entity Locator command will help you locate each of these entities or groups of entities. You can click on a group of entities and the drawing will automatically pane to those entities. It's a good practice to delete the entities you won't need for your drawing before you import it. For this particular drawing, I'm not interested in the items on the second floor of the house, so I'm going to delete those entities by clicking the Delete button. Be completely sure you want to delete an entity or group of entities before pressing the Delete button, as this action cannot be undone. You can click on the Layers tab to select or deselect layers that you may or may not need for your drawing by clicking on the light bulb icon next to the layer. You can also change the paper size, margin, orientation, and more as covered in the Create New Drawing video, which covers the drawing page setup. I'm going to change the ratio to a 1 to 10 scale and use the Move Paper command to center the drawing on the paper. Once you have your import settings adjusted to your liking, click on the Import DWG button, and the DWG Import Complete box will appear, giving you a summary of the settings you just imported. Click on the Close button to proceed to your drawing. That's it, and that's how you import an AutoCAD DWG or DXF file into Pro Contractor Studio.